tired. It's almost Ramadan, but I can't seem to find anything productive to do.
Assalamu alaikum, Amna. Why the long face?
I just wanted to do something fun, you know. We're so close to Ramadan. You would have thought I would find something.
Well, have you tried asking Mama if she needs help with preparing the samosas and the rolls?
Yep,
What about memorizing your duas and reciting some Quran?
I did that this morning.
You can still do that. The more you remember Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, the more you are paving a path for a good akhirah.
You are definitely right. But I want to do a fun activity to get my brain up and running for Ramadan.
I think I got you covered. Follow me. So if I remember correctly... Aha! Look! Baab-ul-iman has a free Ramadan journal.
Really? That's great. Can I see it?
Yep, here it is.
Whoa, the journal is absolutely stunning. I'm so excited to do this throughout this Ramadan.
Let's see. The first activity is for us to set goals. Let's read the instructions. So basically, we need to make long-term and short-term goals this Ramadan.
Cool. Except, what are long-term and short-term goals?
The short-term goal is describing the period of time we have to achieve our goals. Short-term in this case means smaller, as in small interval. So, we would achieve our goal in a smaller time span. A long-term goal is a goal set for a longer time period, which will usually take a longer time span.
So, a short-term goal is done in a small amount of time, like a few days. And a long-term goal is done in a long time, right?
Yes, Amna, you're getting the hang of it.
So my first goals are to memorize Surah Al-Qadr, which is one of my short-term goals, and my long-term goal is to finish Surah Rahman this Ramadan.
Those are great goals. I think I'm done too.
That is nice. But what will we do now? Is the rest of the journal only for Ramadan?
No, we have lots of information to read beforehand to get us prepared.
I want to see more of the journal. Please, 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 please.
Okay. Look, there's an acts of kindness calendar that we can do every day. So we are basically doing acts of kindness 1 per day. A daily log with so many fun activities. And look, flashcards, infographics, and a really cool Ramadan festival activity that we can complete all for free.
This is amazing! I'm so excited for Ramadan.
Mama is calling us for dinner. We have to go, but you're right. This journal makes me look forward to Ramadan even more.